Let's see the history of Linux. So, Linux is a popular open source operating system. It was initially created by Linus Torvalds, who is the creator of Linux in 1991. At that time, Torvalds was a computer science student at the University of Helsinki, Finland, and began working on the Linux project. The name Linux is a combination of his first name, Linus, and Unix, the operating system that inspired his projects. At the time, most operating systems were proprietary and expensive. Torvalds wanted to create an operating system that was freely available to anyone who wanted to use the operating system. He originally released Linux as a free software under the GNU General Public License. This meant that anyone could use, modify, and redistribute his source code. Early versions of Linux were primarily used by technology enthusiasts and software developers, but over time it has grown in popularity and used in various types of devices such as servers, smartphones, and embedded systems. Linux is considered one of the most stable, secure, and reliable operating systems and is widely used in servers, supercomputers, and enterprises environment. Today, Linux is one of the most widely used operating systems in the world, with an estimate 2.76% of all desktop computers and more than 90% of the world's top supercomputers running on Linux, and approximately 71.85% of all mobile devices are running on Android, which is also based on Linux. The Linux community has expanded to include thousands of developers and users who work on the creation and upkeep of the operating system. Nowadays, Linux has many distributions, means versions, namely Ubuntu, Fedora, Arch Linux, Plasma, KDE, Mint, Manjaro. So this was a short introduction on history of Linux.